Crispy lasagna, y'all. This is one of the best dishes I've ever made. We're going to make a Texas Bolognese sauce, guys. Bolognese is a meat sauce. We're going to have a vegetarian option, which is great. If this is your first time visiting us, go ahead and subscribe. We've put out all kinds of good content, creative, made easy. You guys are going to love it. The Texas Bolognese is really special. We talk about how to prepare the peppers, how to go shopping for peppers, to pick the hottest peppers or the least hottest peppers without even touching them, which is really cool. Go in the grocery, you get to control your heat. Plus, we talk about how to cut the peppers to control the heat too. So I'm using canola oil there. You guys can use store-bought pasta sheets or make your own, which is really fun, not nearly as hard as it seems. We do it in a food processor, so the mess is lower. The link below, I describe exactly how to make homemade pasta, how to roll it out, everything. Definitely worth taking a look, y'all. So what you want to do is bring the pasta sheets up to the plate that you're going to serve on so it fits. It's pretty simple. We're going to make homemade ricotta, which is absolutely, if you've never had it before, it's not like the stuff you buy at the store at all. And it can be done in 1 hour, which is amazing. So the link below will discuss completely how to make homemade ricotta cheese. There's a link below. It talks about completely how to make homemade Texas Bolognese sauce, and like I said, with the vegetarian option. So we want to bring the heat up to around 350, which is usually a pretty good safe temperature when it comes to frying. And make sure you do a little test there. When it's done, it's going to be crispy like that, come off, which is awesome. Make sure you have a plate ready so that you don't make a mess when you pull it out of the hot oil. And take a look. It puffs up. It's like the coolest thing ever. Who knew you could fry fresh pasta? And those little pockets that are showing up is where that beautiful Texas Bolognese and our ricotta cheese is going to hang out. And you can build it up as big as you want. You can shape it, of course, any way that you like. I went with a 3-level, so tri-level, just so I can get as much goodness in there. And I had the pleasure of sharing some of this with my parents, and they loved it so much, they want me to make it for Christmas dinner. So guys, please try this. Do each individual video or post, and you guys are going to eat something that you're going to be like, holy goodness, this is really one of the best things that Chef Pennington's ever shared with us. The homemade ricotta, though, really makes it. And we use another cheese, which you could use whatever you want, but we're going to finish the top with a special cheese that I particularly like. So just look at the crispiness. I mean, that's just pure fun. And the meat sauce or the vegetarian version is to die for, and I really suggest once you make it, put it in the refrigerator for a day or two, maybe even 3 days. Give it that pot roast day after effect. All the flavors come together, and it just gets amazing. So preheated oven, 400 degrees. You can go for about 10 minutes, 8-10 minutes, and then you want to turn the broiler on so you get that little bit of color on the top. And you can hear that crispiness. It's just absolutely amazing.
Oh my goodness.
This is my reaction. I wanted to share with y'all.
That's the best lasagna I've ever had. Wow. It is so perfectly balanced. The meat brings so much flavor to this dish. The crispiness, it's just so unusual. It's like fighting for the edges of the lasagna. Everybody wants that. This is the whole thing. It's amazing. The homemade ricotta. Oh my gosh. Until you guys have tried homemade ricotta, it's just impossible to even try to explain. It's just glorious.
Guys, you got to give us a try. Share it with your friends and your family. Please subscribe, hit the like button, go ahead and hit the bell so you know when we post our new stuff. There's going to be links below to get each and every one of these parts. Please give the post some love. There's the links right there for the ricotta and the Texas Bolognese sauce. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It's my pleasure to bring this one to you. Really proud of it. Please hit the like button, guys. Share it, all that good stuff, and y'all have the best.